YouTube, what it do? Hey, we locked in, y'all. Man, it's been hectic starting this week off, y'all. So I woke up early this morning, ready to go, ready to get to it, going through it to get to it, y'all. And to my surprise, came outside, went to start my van up, completely dead. So I'm like, man, went to go grab, I have like this portable jump starter, and used that, tried to get some juice out of that. I had it for a long time, so that didn't work. That went dead on me. So ended up taking my wife's car to Walmart right when they opened up, y'all. Man, had to grab a jumper cable, but you know, to say the least, we got it started and we getting going, you know. Hey, so yeah, I got like 40 or so stops today. Not too bad. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I'm getting started. I got a little bit left to go. So, hey, y'all lock in, man. We get to it, y'all. Let's get it. Look, y'all, the cargo van business is easy. As y'all see though, with all honesty, you really don't even need a cargo van to obtain these different contracts that I'm running. If you got a car, a vehicle, you know, you can get in and out and deliver these packages. It's easy, y'all. If you want to do things right, a cargo van would be a good investment as far as your business. I see y'all really interested, man. Y'all really supporting it, and purchasing the book and stuff like that. That's good. But with all honesty, you don't even need a cargo van. It's super easy. You know, I get out here day to day. I just have fun. You know, I got a family. So as far as investing in my freedom, y'all, and doing what I want to do, and still providing for my family, hey, it's nothing better than, you know, being out and about, making money, having fun, recording, giving y'all the content that y'all love to see, hey, and running that bag up. So y'all tap in, man. Let's get it.